Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of earphones from a company that I'm truly a huge fan of, the Tranya T40 wireless earbuds. And I have tested out the 10s, the 20s, the 30s, and now we're going to be checking out the 40s, which are definitely a really high-powered earbud. And these do have 13mm large drivers for deep bass, 8 hours per charge, and it comes in this white box with a decent size packaging right here, as you can see. And we do have button control for your volume, button control for your moving the tracks forward and backwards, and we also do have bass boost mode as well as a gaming mode on board. And as far as the unboxing experience, it's still pretty nice as well, because we do have 3 or 4 extra ear tips that you can replace the earbuds out with. And it's really cool because these are going to have the Type-C cord as well that comes in handy with the short cable. So it's not going to be the long cable, it's going to be the short cable, but we do get 8 hours on a single charge, 40 hours with the case in addition. So it's going to add a couple of more charges to the earbuds, about 3 or 4 more charges to the earbuds as well. So definitely a nice feature. Now when it comes to the actual size earbuds, they have the hook style with the loop. So these will pair extremely easy. You take them out of the case simultaneously at the exact same time, and then you look for the Tranya T40s, and then they will pair up really easily. But it's a really straightforward process. These do also have buttons on the side for pausing. So it has buttons on the bottom for your volume. You can control your Google Assistant, you can control your tracks, and you can control your everything of that sort. So the bass as well with a 5 clicks is actually going to control your bass boost and normal mode feature, and 3 clicks on the side button will actually enter gaming mode. But these are originally $40, but with a $10 coupon down below, you can get them at $39.99 as right now. So I'll make sure to leave the cheapest link down below for the Tranya T40s. But these are going to be really solid for bass. Obviously they have that large driver, which is going to pack a lot of deep bass in these. If you're the type of person who likes snares, drums, listening to hi-hats and really drill type of music, and any kind of music that's going to offer you an immersive sound quality, you would definitely want to check these guys out, especially if you're the type of person who likes playing sports. Maybe you're going to be working out. These do have that IPX5 waterproof feature, so these are going to be really solid for people who like to be active, and somebody who has an active lifestyle, because they do feel really comfortable when you wear them for a long time. And that hook on the ear is definitely skin friendly, so it won't feel uncomfortable or irritate your ears after long periods of time. I also do like the fact that they were able to pack not the touch control buttons, but actual physical buttons for more accurate controls. So it's more easy for muscle memory. When you go to touch the control, you could actually find a button instead of the touch sensor, which is pretty cool. But basically 0 latency when you're gaming or watching movies, so you won't have to worry really about any inaccurate lips to the words. Everything is going to match up simultaneously, so it's going to be pretty solid when it comes to the video experience. And as far as with these handling sweat or water resistancy, you could shower with these, but you can't swim in these. But you could definitely shower, you could work out, you could sweat in these, and you could do all of that activity, because it's going to be able to have that waterproof feature with the matte material on the outside. So it's definitely waterproof. And they also do have the port, which is you can actually open for the Type-C cable, and that's waterproofed as well. But overall sound quality on these is really good. I was impressed with the case. It's a little bit bigger than most cases because of the nature of the way these are shaped. It's going to be a bigger size case, but I'm a huge fan of Tranya. They've been devoted to creating innovative sound technology for quite some time now, and they deliver true sound the way you're supposed to, hear it and these do have a really new design for, especially for people who like music and sports, and really suitable for fitness, working out and exercise. But we're gonna do a microphone test, so let me know how the microphones do. Make sure you stay to the end of the video. But as far as the magnetic strength, is pretty much average on here.
Alright guys, so this is me riding on like a bike while the wind is blowing towards me, right? So gives you an idea of how the microphones would sound if it was blowing directly towards you. Now if I went against the wind, I'm gonna do a 180 real quick. And now I'm going with the wind. So let me know how the microphones hold up with the wind. So I just wanted to go towards the wind and with the wind. Now I'm gonna go back, turn back around. So this is what it would sound like if you were going against the wind and you were riding on a bike. So I just want to give you an idea of how it would sound if you were like going towards real wind in an outdoor environment with not too much background noise, right? But this is just a quick sample of how the microphones do hold up.
But honestly, I could say these are going to be a really good headphone for listening to music as well as taking phone calls. It has 4 mics inside of them, game mode, dual sound effect, so you can get an immersive sound with the added bass boost feature. Really comfortable ear hooks for sports, 13mm drivers for the sound quality, and button control, which is going to be a little bit more accurate and precise, so you won't have any mistouches and you can avoid unconscious touch errors and stuff like that. So I really do like the fact that these pack 8 hours of listening on a single charge, because you can get through a whole entire day with just one. The 8 hours is pretty much would be what I would need to get through a day, because I probably don't listen to music for more than that. But if you did want to extend it, you can get the 500 milliamp hour charging case to extend it up to 40 hours. And I like the fact that each earbud has 2 microphones on the outside, so you're going to be getting crystal clear calls with those 4 microphones, with a really crystal clear sound when you're listening to people's voices. And if you're the type of person who wants to do gaming on here, you can get that done, as well as an immense variety of features like the bass boost. The gaming mode is definitely solid. The waterproofing, Type-C for charging. You can get 10 when you charge these for 10 minutes on these earbuds. It's actually going to give you quick charging. So if you charge these and they're on the charger for 10 minutes, it's pretty much going to give you like a few hours of listening time just off of that hour or that 10 minutes or whatever. You're going to get a full hour or something, like 2 or 3 hours. So I definitely like the fact that these do offer that. With the quick charging as well. Really nice design, really nice form factor as well. And these have been out they're pretty much newly released, so I'm just checking these out for the very first time, and I am definitely impressed, as always, with Tranya earbuds. But let me know what you guys think about the T40s. I think these are really good. They do have LED lights on the outside to indicate when the case is full and empty. But let me know down below, and I'll get right back with you. Make sure you subscribe and get notified. I encourage you to join me for more videos just like this. And if you're not already a part of the crew, make sure you hit the like button as well as the bell icon, and I'll check you guys later. Peace. I'll get right back with you.